driven with a CTI G125 and a Formula 54 rocket.
Here we go.
On pad 51, we're armed, looking good, going in 3, 2, 1. Go, yeah, baby.
Yes.
Go, go, go. Straight up. Nice smoke
Still
trail.
going.
Getting a little squirrely.
You got an altimeter in there?
No, it's single deploy.
Nice stream of
still put an
smoke.
altimeter in there.
Looking for an event. There it is.
There it is.
A nice orange shoot. All right, you guys keep your eyes on that. Javelin on a G131 Smoky Sam.
G131 Smoky Sam.
One will be one, going in 3,
You're gonna have to hurry.
1.
I held on and I made it.
Did your buddy make it too?
Yeah. I didn't think he was going to.
Arcing over. Yeah. Apogee. Event.
That's cute. The pipe dream. Mario pipes. Cute. That's funny.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My glasses away.
They did.
For real this time.
All right, here we go. K456 Dark Matter in my competitor 4. Here we go. Oh my word. Yes. It's out. There's the backup. It's coming down fast.
There it goes. Slow it down, slow it down.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
There it goes.
Come on, open, 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 open.
Oh man, that's not good. That's not good. Alright, here we go.
Alright, this is Ryan Mellon's, what do you call it?
Iron Man.
Iron Man? K695 red line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See why I like that red?
Okay, Rhino.
It's still coasting.
Maiden voyage!
It popped.